Thanks for checking us out, folks, here at OlingerMarine.com. Here we have a 2003 Sky Supreme V230. This boat has a custom black powder coated tower with wakeboard racks, red and black checkerboard graphics, teak swim platform. This boat is in really great shape, folks. 23-foot V-drive with the walk-through. And inside you see huge amount of interior room. This boat is equipped with perfect pass, speed control, dual rear ballast, depth finder, and once again only has 290 hours on it. All of our boats here at Olinger Marine come with a full compression check on the motor, full 60-point inspection on the boat, and are ready for the lake. Thanks again for checking us out here at OlingerMarine.com. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 208-769-4200. Thanks again for checking us out at OlingerMarine.com.